Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Friday, July 17th, 2026. Let's take a look at the charts. Start with the big picture as usual. 368.69 long-term support. I don't think we'll see that today, but we might by the end of next week. I'll get to that in a moment. Can absorb selling not only through August, but the rest of the year. And in fact, holding above the 16-month channel bottom will keep 546.14 in reach, possibly by the end of the year. 546.14 is a long-term 6-year rising channel top that becomes a clarified objective if over the coming weeks we were to close above 435.94 by a 1% margin. This week would be 440.30. So it would look, something along the lines of this on the daily chart. We also have it, bear with me, wrong image. So there we are again, 435.94 to 440.30. Until then, we're in this wedge, this two-sided framework that can continue to play out through the month of August. At some point, obviously, we are going to close outside of this region, and then we would have a significant directional signal in the respective direction. Let's talk downside for today. I still have 387.80, the high of the low. We broke that, obviously, on Thursday. It is still there. It is the point that, if settled below, should, over the next 3 to 5 days or sooner, test that 368.69, a rising channel bottom that I mentioned here. Can contain selling once again through the rest of the year. If we were, over the next couple of weeks, to close below 368.69, it would need to be by a 1% margin, and that is that red line you see here. These levels are climbing gradually. In other words, were we to close today at 365 even or lower, we would enter a sell signal that should, by the end of September or sooner, result in 305.44, and over the next 3 to 5 months, I'm kind of asking that, could be 6 to 8 months, but I think 3 to 5 months is likely down to 227.08, where we could bottom out well into 27. But I'm not expecting this unless we close below 368.69 by a full 1% margin, and I'm not expecting this long-term channel top at 564.14 anytime soon unless we happen to muster a settlement above the 435.94 channel top by a full 1% margin. I've covered the downside pretty well with the 387.80 intraday support, above which 403.08 is in reach today. That could be it for the day. We could fall back into the 387.80 level within several days of testing 403.08. But if we close today above 403.08, on Monday we test 416.02, which can contain daily buying pressures. I don't even have a problem with the 3 to 5 day swing trade. You can play the short side at 416.02 off of that formation, and we could fall back through the following week. Now, if we did, and once again, this isn't going to happen today, but if by the end of next week or the next few days we close above 416.02, that clarifies the 430s as a 3 to 5 day target. Once again, we've got the 430s that is shown here in the 435.94 descending channel top area, can contain buying through August. From there, we could fall back into the 360s, 370s within a matter of 3 to 5 weeks. Once again, closing at 440.30 or higher does present the 546.14 60-year channel top as like a 2 to 3 to 5 month target where we could top out well into 27. So right now, once again, day traders could bottom pick 387.80 and sell 403.08. 3 to 5 day swing traders can sell a settlement today below 387.80, expecting 368.69. 3 to 5 day swing traders, well, I'm not comfortable playing the long side right now on a 3 to 5 day basis unless we close above 416.02. Then you've got a clear shot for the 430s. Until then, we just have these kind of soft intraday pivot points. I will say closing above 403.08 today signals 416.02 Monday, Tuesday of next week. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. I'll be back, of course, on Sunday with Monday's Daily Tesla Report, and you have a great weekend.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity.
Start your 2-week free trial and trade with clarity from day one.